Hello friends, so I am back with the first episode of Commerce Science with Pooja. So in today's episode, I am going to answer the various questions that come to our mind when we decide whether to choose the CA course or not. These were some of the questions that came to my mind when I was deciding about this course. So let's start. Question 1. Who is eligible to enroll for CA course? So there are two categories of students who can get themselves enrolled for CA course. Category 1, those who have appeared or passed their 12th examination. Category 2, those who are already graduates or postgraduates. Of course, both the categories can be from any stream, commerce, science or arts. Question 2, how many years does it take to complete the entire CA course? For category 1 students, approximately 4.5 years. For category 2 students, approximately 3 years. Question number 3. How many levels are there in all in the entire CA course? So the entire CA course is divided into 3 levels. Level 1 is CA Foundation, which is also known as the entrance exam of CA course. Level 2 is CA Intermediate and level 3 is CA Final. Next question. Whether it is mandatory for everyone to give the entrance exam, that is CA Foundation. For category 1 students, yes, it is mandatory. For category 2 students, no, it is not mandatory. Next question is, how many papers are there for CA Foundation? There are total 4 papers for CA Foundation. Paper 1, Accounting. Paper 2, Business Laws. Paper 3, Business Mathematics, Logical Reasoning and Statistics. Paper 4, Business Economics. Next question is what is the pattern of paper? Whether there are subjective type of questions or objective type of questions in CA Foundation. So for paper 1 and 2, that is accounting and business laws, the pattern of paper would be subjective questions, 100 marks, 100% subjective questions. And for paper 3 and 4, that is business mathematics and business economics, the pattern of the paper would be objective type, that is MCQs would be asked. Okay, so the next question, when I say MCQs, the next question comes is whether there is any negative marking. For CA Foundation, yes, there is negative marking. For CA Intermediate and CA Final, there is no negative marking. The next question that comes to our mind about CA Foundation is what is the registration fees. The registration fees is approximately 9,800 for CA Foundation. Now the similar questions come for CA Intermediate level, that is level 2. How many subjects are there for CA Intermediate? So there are in all 8 subjects for CA Intermediate which are further classified into 2 groups, Group 1 and Group 2. So Group 1 has 4 subjects and Group 2 has 4 subjects. So the names, subject details are mentioned in the description box given below. Again, what is the pattern paper? For CA Intermediate, this would be the next question, of course. So pattern of paper for 4 subjects is completely 100% subjective type questions, and pattern of paper for rest of the 4 subjects is 30% objective type questions and 70% subjective type questions. Now which are these subjects? Again, the details are given in the description box below. Okay, so the similar question comes for CA Final level. How many subjects are there in CA Final? Again, there are 8 subjects classified into 2 groups. Group 1, 4 subjects. Group 2, 4 subjects. 100 marks each for both CA Intermediate and CA Final. Again, the subject details are given below in the description box. And the pattern of paper is similar to CA Intermediate. 4 subjects, 100% subjective type questions. 4 subjects, 30% objective type questions and 70% subjective type questions. Okay, so the next question is, what is the fees, registration fees for CA Intermediate? For CA Intermediate, it is approximately 18,000 and for CA Final, it is approximately 22,000. So this was all about the 3 levels of CA course. Now the other question that comes to our mind is whether a student has to undergo any other course during the span of 4 to 5 years. So yes, he has to undergo a different course called ICITSS and Advanced ICITSS. Now what is this ICITSS? ICITSS stands for Integrated Course on Information Technology and Soft Skills. Now this is a course where the CA student gets an opportunity to polish his communication skills and become more computer friendly. So this course is mandatory before passing your both these courses, ICITSS and Advanced ICITSS. Both these courses are mandatory to be undergone before clearing your CA final, before you get the designation of a chartered accountant. Okay, so now whether a CA student has to undergo any practical training? Yes, definitely he has to undergo compulsorily undergo practical training for a period of 3 years. Under whom? Under a qualified chartered accountant. The next most important question, what after CA? What does he get to do after he becomes a chartered accountant? So there are 3 options available to him. Option 1, he can do a job under any CA firm or under any MNC or any company. Option 2 is he can start his own practice, he can start his own office where it would be kind of a business. And option 3, he can join his family business and help the family with the tax planning and tax saving, etc. The most important question, of course, that comes before deciding about any course is what would be the salary? Now, to be very honest, the salary completely depends upon your choice. If you are going for campus placement, the average salary for a CA student would be, for CA would be 6 to 7 lakhs per annum. If you are going for a small CA firm for just experience, then it would be around, it can be around 20,000 per month or it can go up to 40,000 per month, 50,000 per month, completely depending upon the size of the firm. And if you start your own practice, then it completely depends upon the area where you are practicing and the competition in that area. So honestly, to be very frank, I would not give one particular figure that yes, this is the income that you will definitely earn once you become a chartered accountant. So I guess these are certain questions that definitely comes into your mind when you are thinking about choosing any particular course. And the most important question, what is the detailed procedure of getting into this course, of passing this course? For that, keep watching my channel and I'll be uploading that video as the second part of this video. Hey guys, I hope you found my video informative enough to help you make a better decision about the CA course. And yes, I am coming up with the second part of this video wherein I would be telling you the details about the admission process, the study period, etc, etc. So till then, subscribe to my channel on YouTube, follow it on Instagram and like my page on Facebook. Bye.